the SIR is all set to take centre stage as Parliament winter session begins tomorrow. The SIR has evoked sharp criticism from opposition parties. Several opposition parties like the Congress, the TMC, Samajwadi Party and Shiv Sena UBT have slammed the government and the Election Commission, stating that the exercise is a rushed one and has mounted tremendous pressure for the BLOs. Ahead of the session as well, the government has called for an all-party meeting that was chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, which also saw members of the Parliament from across the political spectrum. Now, the government is expected to introduce 13 important bills during this period, including those related to nuclear energy sector, higher education, infrastructure reforms, among others. Now, discussions on Vande Mataram are also expected. The opposition is likely to be aggressive on issues like SIR, unemployment and rising air pollution in Delhi NCR. My colleague Aishwarya joins us with more details. Aishwarya, take us through what we can expect from the winter session. The opposition, of course, quite set on their strategy to raise the SIR, the pollution issue, as well as several other issues.
Well, that's right. In fact, the all-party meeting was convened by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today ahead of the winter session of Parliament, and the government is likely to bring up 13 important bills and one financial bill in this session where 15 sittings will be held. Important legislative push by the government, but in the all-party meeting, when the suggestions were taken from different opposition parties, they demanded a discussion around the SIR. The BLO's deaths was one of the major issue that the opposition parties raised in front of the government, and it was the government which clearly stated that the BSE, both for the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which is scheduled for the evening, will decide that whether there will be any sort of discussions around the SIR or not. Certainly remember the monsoon session of Parliament, where the entire session was disrupted by the opposition. They demanded the discussion on the SIR. Perhaps the government was on a view that the Election Commission of India, because they are not the party in the Parliament, how can the working of Election Commission of India can be discussed? So certainly it's not going to happen is something that the government sources have indicated to us. But leaders like Ram Gopal Yadav, John Britas, have Kalyan Banerjee of the TMC clearly stated that if there is no discussion on the SIR, then certainly they are not going to let the House function. And it was Kiran Rijiju, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, who stated that there will be discussions in the BSE around that, and whether the BSE will agree to some of the points by the opposition party leaders that they have raised in the all-party meeting is something that remains to be seen. But yes, a very important point also by Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, who stated that because 150 years of celebrations are happening of Vande Mataram, they will certainly want a discussion around it, every political party to speak, and whether there will be consensus that will come down or a day or time that will be fixed for discussion around Vande Mataram is something that remains to be seen.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us and bringing us those details. Let's quickly listen into these reactions coming in on the story.
At this point of time, I don't want to make government's position because we called this meeting to listen to the floor leaders of the opposition parties and also from the ruling parties. I don't want to answer at this point of time because in the evening we will have business advisory committees. Although various demands, various points were made, but to reply categorically at this point of time is not wise because we are going to decide some issues in the business advisory committees, and there are other things we have to take permission from the chairman.
जिस प्रकार से भारत के विभिन्न राज्यों से चुनाव आयोग चुनाव से पहले, चुनाव के दौरान, चुनाव के पश्चात जिस प्रकार से राजनीतिक पक्षपात रख रही है, तो क्या भारत में चुनावी प्रक्रिया संवैधानिक रूप से चलेगी? वोटर लिस्ट की सुरक्षा, चुनाव की सुरक्षा पर भी एक चर्चा हो।
हम लिख के दे चुके हैं, मिलके मैं पूरे इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने में गया, लिख के दिया कि समय बहुत कम है, इसको बढ़ाइए। ये इतने दबाव में है 20 BLO आत्महत्या कर चुके हैं लोगों के, और कई जगह से ये सूचना मिल रही है, BLO से कहा जा रहा है इन लोगों के वोट मार दीजिए, काट दीजिएगा। ये जो बहराइच में लड़का मरा है, आत्महत्या की, उससे आपने देखा होगा, सुना है, वो कह रहा है कि SDM वगैरह का है कि सब जो पिछड़े और दलित लोग हैं इनके PDA के, इनका वोट काटिए, तो दबाव से आत्महत्या कर ली। हम इस हाउस को नहीं चलने देंगे अगर SIR पर चर्चा नहीं होगी।
सेशन से पहले की बात क्या, ये तो लंबे समय से चल रहा है।
नया
नहीं, ये तो मैटर तो कोर्ट में है, मैटर सब जुडिस है। कोर्ट जो हम लोग जिस देश में रहते हैं, संविधान की अगर बात करते हैं, आज संविधान का किताब लेके घूमते हैं, तो हम लोग कोर्ट को मानते हैं ना, कि कोर्ट में जो जुडिशियल प्रोसेस है उसमें जो फैसला आएगा सबको मान्य है। तो
राजनीतिक साजिश के तहत
तो भाई कोर्ट है ना, अगर राजनीतिक साजिश भी है, अगर लगता है आपको, तो कोर्ट में आपका अपना पक्ष रखिए, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
Development that has just come in, the Election Commission have extended 7 days more for the SIR process to be held across the country in 12 states.
So did they realize that the deadline they set was wrong? Didn't they realize that the documents which they demanded were not sufficient? Only because our persistent protest, they have yielded our ground. But what is the 7 days? Kerala is undergoing local body elections. 9th and 11th we have elections there, local body elections, which is important. And the same government officials are deputed as BLOs. We pleaded with the Election Commission. And the SIR in Maharashtra has been deferred on this count. So what is Kerala? Kerala is not part of India?
बीजू जनता दल की तरफ से आज तो हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे हैं SIR की, बट हमने करीब 1.5 साल पहले इस मुद्दे को उठाया था। 2024 के विधानसभा और लोकसभा चुनावों के बाद उड़ीसा में जिस तरह से हमने देखा कि एक स्पाइक हो रहा है वोटिंग में, जबकि ऑलरेडी वोटिंग ख़त्म हो जाती है, कई डिस्क्रिपेंसीज दिखती हैं। इसको लेके कई बार हम लोग इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास भी आए और हमने मांग करी कि इलेक्टोरल ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए। अभी तक वो इलेक्टोरल ट्रांसपेरेंसी कहीं ना कहीं दिख नहीं रही है।
When Election Commission listens to their concerns of all parties and take a decision, then they'll start questioning why it is being done. If it is not doing that, not listening, if they think, for instance, they're not going by their own way, Election Commission, they'll make a different, again, opposition parties will make some different ruckus. So, just because Election Commission doesn't do these press meets regularly, that doesn't mean you can keep on hitting the Election Commission from different angles.
The central government is also considering a day-long parliamentary discussion on Vande Mataram during the winter session as the country commemorates 150 years of the national song.
वंदे मातरम बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा आज़ादी के लड़ाई में वंदे मातरम नारा लगा करके अंग्रेजों के विरोध में संघर्ष किया है और 150 साल पूरा किया है। बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय जी का जब ये वंदे मातरम का लिखने का कार्य किया, उसका 150 साल पूरा हुआ है। ये पूरा देश मानता है, ये पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा नहीं है, कोई पॉलिटिकल इशू नहीं है, ये तो एक देश का बड़ा इशू है। 150 इयर्स हुए हैं। अगर चर्चा करना है तो भी सब पार्टी के सामने में बात रखेंगे, BSC में रखेंगे। यहाँ तो मैं एजेंडा घोषणा नहीं कर सकता हूँ।